Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have a helper, James, and he's going to help us unbox another toy. James, what toy do we have today?
Today we have the Ryan World Mini Egg.
What do we expect?
One putty, one micro figure, two tattoos, one sticker, and a mystery figure. Let's see what's inside. So let's do the tippy top of the egg. Okay. So let's do.
First one.
We actually don't know what this one is. Kids, we get Alpha Lexa. I think this is the mini figure?
Wow, this is the first time we've ever seen this figure.
Alpha Lexa.
Look at the tail. It's a squirrel?
Yeah. I mean, you could call it a squirrel, but a lot of people call it different things.
Okay.
So, going to the next level. What do we have here? These are all of the characters we could collect. We could collect them all. So which one do you think we're gonna get? I think we might get Invisible Ryan.
I think it's Ryan the Builder.
Builder Ryan?
Yes.
Let's see. We got Alpha Lexa again.
Oh my gosh! And she's singing.
She has a microphone.
Yay!
We got two Alpha Lexas.
That is so cool.
Look at these different color eyes.
Blue and green.
I guess this is the little Alpha Lexa and this is the mom.
Oh wow, the mom is a singer, right?
Yeah.
What else we got?
Okay, so I think these are gonna be the tattoos. So we got an Alpha Lexa tattoo.
Yay!
Is this video just gonna be about Alpha Lexa?
I guess so. Oh, look at that.
And we got a Ryan's
World tattoo.
And then our sticker. What is our sticker?
Alpha
Lexa.
Alpha Lexa. Wow, she looks so fierce.
Okay, this one might be a putty. Let's
see.
It is the
Putty. Yay!
Ryan Mystery Putty.
What color do you think it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be green.
I think purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you guys think? Okay, so the putty. What do you guys think we're gonna get? We're gonna open it in 3,
2, 1.
We get. Is this purple?
Yes, I said purple. It is purple. Yay!
Is this purple or not, guys?
It is purple.
Because I think this is purple, but this is like kind of like a darker kind of purple. Do you guys think she is wrong or right? Is it purple or not? I do not think it's purple. Oh, that's definitely purple.
Yay!
That's definitely purple. Look at this, guys. This is so cool. I can't believe she guessed it right.
So,
I thought it was gonna be green for sure.
okay, that's awesome. Today's Anthony Robbins quote, it says, someone else is happy with less than what you have. What this quote is trying to say is be happy with all you have, because there's somebody out there in the world that is wishing they had what you have. So if you have 5 shoes, there is someone out there that only has 1. If you have 10 toys, there's someone out there that only has 1. So there's always someone out there that is happy with less than what you have. So children, be happy with what you have, okay? And sometimes it's a good thing to give to others and share with others. Now we're just going to go through all the toys we got today.
So first off, in our first section, we got this little Alpha Lexa.
1.
Okay, so we have 1. For the second one, we got big Alpha Lexa that is singing.
2.
got Alpha Lexa sticker,
3,
purple putty,
4,
and the tattoos, Alpha Lexa, and the
5,
Ryan
and-
World logo.
So that's 5 and 6. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.